Upanishad begins with Shanti chant, peace chant. So every Mahayuddha begins with peace, peace messenger. And peace relates to three aspects. Firstly, peace opposes tapa. Tapa is misery, threefold misery. Misery relating to your subjective self, called adhyatmik. Adhibhautik, misery that comes from external sources. Misery that comes from your own body and mind, that's one. Misery comes from people around you and the world of so many jivas. Lots of miseries wait from the world, called adhibhautik. And then miseries come from act of God, hurricanes, volcanic eruptions, and even this COVID type of thing. So these threefold miseries are always there, waiting to grab the soul. To attain liberation means Shanti for each, all the three to be silenced. The word Shanti, Sha-anti, Sha is Shiva. Shiva is absolute wisdom, Brahman. That which ends up with absolute revelation. Aham Brahmasmi. That's Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Threefold Shanti.